guys, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to share with you how to make a hanging yarn wall art. So for this project, you would be needing a dry, clean branch about 2 feet long. You would also need a blanket yarn or any type of yarn that you like. And you would need a sharp scissors. Need to prepare your yarn and cut them into strands. I'm cutting this into 3 feet long or 36 inches. You can cut them either on the table or on the floor, wherever is convenient for you. And you cut them into sets of 4 strands. So for this project, I had 48 sets equivalent to 192 strands. I laid them out on the table and some on the chair close by for easy access when I'm making the project. So it's like a simple macrame project. You can loop the yarn using your fingers like this. This is so easy to follow, so I will do it in slow motion so you will be able to follow along. Continue doing the same method until you reach the end of the branch. Next step would be to leave 3 strands of yarn out on your left side and then take 3 strands from your right, 3 from your left, combine and knot them together. Continue doing the same method until you reach the end of the branch. So when you're done knotting all groupings together, you try to straighten out the branch and the strands, and you can untangle the strands by running your fingers through it and straighten it out. So the next step will be to trim your yarn. So you need to flatten it on the table, you need to straighten it out, and you can use a ruler or anything that will guide you while cutting your yarn and trimming it. So you can see I'm just using a ribbon as a guide. So you can see here I'm just trimming it on both sides, starting from the left, then on my right, shaping it like a V shape. After trimming your yarn, you can then start decorating. So here I'm going to use pom-poms. I got a round pom-pom which I'm going to transform into a heart-shaped pom-pom. I do have a video on how to do this, and I'm going to provide a link at the end of this video, or you can also check it out at the description box of this particular video. So from a round pom-pom, I'm going to shape it into a heart-shaped pom-pom. And this is how I do it. You will need a string of yarn. Make a knot at the end and attach it to your heart-shaped pom-pom. You can either glue the string on your pom-pom or you can also sew it together. And this is what I'm going to use to decorate my hanging yarn wall art. As you can see, both hearts on both sides are shorter and the middle one is longer. You will be looping your yarn under the branch like this. Guys, you can hang this yarn hanging wall art in any room. It will definitely add color and texture to your wall. And this one, I'm going to hang it in my happy place. The 3 hearts actually means I love you. So guys, this is how it looks. Isn't it cute? If you like this DIY project, please like and share. And I would appreciate it if you can leave a comment. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell so I will see you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching.